consider subscribing.
Farouk from Qatar.
My question is, can we not put detergent when washing clothes that have najasa in the washing machine, as the washing machine mixes the water with the detergent, so the smell and taste of the water would be changed due to the fail of a file, which is the person that turned on the washing machine, and even the name of the water changes to like soapy water. Thus, the clothes will be washed like tahir water and not tahur.
So basically, Farouk's question is, can we use detergents when removing a najasa, or should it only be removed by water? Why? Because when we mix water with detergents, soap and the likes, and they mix with the soiled clothes, the water can't be distinguished, and the nature of the water or the characteristics, whether it's a smell or taste or color, can't be identified whether it was due to najasa or something else. So would that prevent the clothes from being purified? The answer is no. The issue of najasa and removing it, the most authentic opinion is that if the mass of the najasa, of the impurity, is removed, whether with water or with anything else, then the clothes become pure, tahir, and clean. Unlike water, so if I have to make wudu, and I perform wudu with a different liquid other than water, the wudu is invalid. Someone says, okay, a liter of water costs this much. I'm going to perform wudu with a liter of cologne. That is 100 times more expensive, and it smells better. We say that your wudu is invalid. In removing najasa and impurities, the most authentic opinion that intention is not needed. Meaning, if I have a soiled piece of cloth and I put it outside, and without knowing it rains and it pours dogs and cats, and I come the following day and I find it washed and cleaned and no traces of najasa, I didn't intend it. Nevertheless, it's pure now. Likewise, if the najasa was removed with a different substance other than water, whether it's soft drinks or any other detergents or dry cleaning, which water was not used, when I come and try to trace traces of impurity and I find that it does not exist, in this case, this is pure. Therefore, using detergents when removing a najasa is totally permissible, and Allah knows best.